Here comes a combo toy set of safe and non-breakable stacking and nesting toys from SARTHAM Toys. This toy set is very thoughtfully designed for young kids. These toys are perfect gift for toddlers and 1+-year-old kids. Apart from the stacking and nesting activities, other concepts like colors, size, counting can be introduced to young kids. These colorful toddler toys are made from non-toxic plastic with no sharp edges, and kids are engrossed in it for a longer period of time as they construct colorful towers. This 13-pieces stacking cup set and 8-pieces stacking rings set are unique in design, rigid, colorful, and an ideal activity toy set for toddlers and young children. There are 12 unique designs of animals and figures on bottom of each colorful cup which can be used for clay stamping. Each cup is of different color and size, and there are no holes at bottom of this multipurpose toy. This toy set improves hand-eye coordination and stimulates concentration of kids besides helping them to learn colors and counting. It encourages thinking and problem solving as the child slowly figures out how to stack and nest.